Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a powerful feature of Elevenlabs, how to slow down voiceovers in 2025. Whether you are creating engaging content for podcasts, video, or audiobooks, mastering this technique can significantly enhance your audience experiences. So let's get started. First things first, you need a log in into your Elevenlabs account. If you don't have one yet, head over to their website and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you are in, navigate to the voice changer section where all the magic happens. Now that you are in the voice changer page, select the speech to speech options. Here you can choose from a variety of voice available in Elevenlabs extensive library. Pick one that should your project best. Remember, the right voice can make a huge difference in how your content is received. Here comes the crucial part, adjusting the speed of your voiceovers. Look for the speed control sliders on the interface. By moving this slider to the left, you will slow down your voiceovers. Aim for a pace that feels natural and easy for your audience to follow, typically around the 0.75x to 0.85x work well for the most content. Before finalize your changes, hit the preview button. Listen carefully to ensure that slow down voice still convey emotion and clarity. If it sounds too robotic or unnatural, adjust the speed slightly until you find that perfect balance. Once you are satisfied with how it sounds, it is time to download your audio file. Simply click on the device button located to the slide bar. This will save you newly created voiceovers directly to your device, ready to use your project. There you have it. Slow down voiceovers in level is a straightforward process that can dramatically improve your audio and content impacts. With just a few simple steps, you are equipped to create more engaging and listener friendly materials. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.